Happy birthday, Mr. President Ilham Aliyev, President of Republic Azerbaijan. Ilham Aliyev, one of the strong, great, brave, intellectual leader Azerbaijan history. Time Ilham Aliyev ruling Azerbaijan's strong economical transformation, and he's also our commander of Chief Azerbaijan Armed Forces. Time to the Ilham Aliyev, Azerbaijan restore own territorial integrity and sovereignty. I wish Mr. Ilham Aliyev and Hanım Mehriban Aliyeva, First Lady and Vice President of Azerbaijan, and Aliyev family, Ilham Aliyev and Mr. Ilham Aliyev and Hanım Mehriban Aliyeva, long, happy, good life, and long life Azerbaijan and long life President.